everyone, this is the Scaremaster, and today I am here for a tutorial on how to put on your child's large Spider-Man skin suit. So here it is. Very cool. Okay, so this is an instructional video intended to help you put on your large kid's Spider-Man skin suit from Spirit Halloween. Okay. So this is completely one piece. That's what it looks like, and so basically I think I'll just get on with my tutorial. Step 1. Open the zipper located on the back of the Spider-Man skin suit. And then and this is what it looks like. And step 2. Step in there. Step into there. Looking pretty cool. Step 2, get your legs in the leg spots. 2 feet. So this is what you should be looking like now. And step 2, fish your arms through the arm holes. So this is what you should be looking like. And next, step 3, fish your fingers through the finger holes. Now my hands look like Spider-Man's. So, and next, fish your head. Fish your head through the mask. So, looking pretty cool. Yep. Dad, can you help me close the zipper? Yep. And step 5, you might need a grown-up to help you. That's my dad. And then zip the back zipper up. And you are now looking like Spider-Man. You're now looking like Spider-Man. So I got this from Spirit Halloween, and if you haven't been there and you don't have this costume, this is just you watching it for Halloween videos, Spirit Halloween is the place to be. And you can go online at spirithalloween.com if you don't really feel like going to the store. You can shop online at no extra cost. So that's it for my tutorial on how to put on your kid's large Spider-Man skin suit. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.